How to know when it's time to flush your water heater. Whether you have a tankless water heater or a tanked water heater in your Denver, Colorado home, it needs to be flushed annually. This process helps to remove unwanted hard water deposits from the inside of your tank that would otherwise lead to corrosion. Any good plumber will tell you that it's time to flush out your hot water heater whenever you notice any discoloration or sediment in your water. Another symptom of a water heater that needs to be flushed is one that won't produce hot water. If you've noticed a decrease in your hot water's temperature lately, it may be due to an inability of your water heater's thermostat to work properly due to internal sludge buildup. If your water heater needs flushing, call Dr. Fixit Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric at calldrfixit.com or 720-797-7373 today.